On a street corner in Cambridge, Massachusetts, Acme Dry Ice is hotter than ever.
Acme Ice, may I help you? We've gotten calls as far as California, Seattle, Chicago, Texas, Arkansas.
People are calling you here
People
in
are calling
Cambridge
here because,
to get dry ice across the country?
Yeah, because there's no product there.
Mark Savinor says 75% of his business is from vaccine developers.
And they're just in phase 3 trials right now. This isn't even actual production yet.
Right. I mean, this hasn't even hit yet.
When approval comes, millions of doses will have to be transported and stored around the country. UPS has built freezer farms in Louisville, Kentucky, and overseas in the Netherlands. At Mass General Hospital in Boston, the chief pharmacist is getting ready for the first shipments.
This is what we use for just our daily operation.
Like a flu vaccine would be in here.
Flu vaccine.
But Pfizer's vaccine for COVID, which is one of the most likely to be approved early on, has to be kept as low as negative 80 degrees Celsius.
Negative 80 degrees Celsius is colder than the Arctic.
Yep, it is. This is not something you sort of go to Lowe's and Home Depot to buy.
And it's not just one vaccine in the pipeline.
How difficult is that? You don't know what the vaccine's going to be. It could be the one that's stored at negative 80, the one that's stored at negative 20, and yet you've got to be prepared for all of it.
It's a challenge. I mean, I think that's why we're starting now.
The CDC asked states to have vaccination plans ready by November.
This is definitely probably the most daunting task that we've had to undertake in terms of the sheer number of people that we're going to have to get vaccinated.
There will be a limited supply at first, likely going to healthcare workers and high-risk groups. The vaccinations will need to be tracked. Some require 2 doses spaced weeks apart. And then there is the question of where people should go to get it done safely during a pandemic.
And those include drive-thrus at fire stations, car washes, ice houses. It also includes scheduling patients at 5, 10, and 15-minute intervals.
Each step in the distribution process equally critical.
I mean, we're playing a big part of the COVID vaccine, and it feels good to be part of it.
Because delivering the vaccine will be just as important as developing it. Stephanie Gosk, NBC News, Cambridge, Massachusetts.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here, and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.